The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People Jawai Unit also organized a demonstration against the Indian government in regard to implement the inner line permit in the state. The sit-in protest took place at Yamusyang, Jawai. One of the main aspects of the protest is against the Citizenship Amendment Act that has been turned into a bill. The bill, which is considered to be fundamentally and discriminatory in nature as well as inconsiderate towards the indigenous people of the Northeast, including Meghalaya. The bill stretches beyond boundaries wherein prosecuted minorities belonging to non-Muslim community are to be given citizenship and shelter across the country, including the Northeast. The fight against the Citizenship Amendment Bill incepted in 2019, but due to the pandemic, everything came to a halt. But ever since, situations steadily seem to be creeping back into normal. The FKJGP would like to convey to the Indian government that the state as a whole, along with the rest, will oppose and stand against the CAA. The demand will never fade. If Manipur is given assent and approval for the implementation of inner line permit, why would Meghalaya be refuted of the same when the central government has itself declared that ILP is an ordinance which will help safeguard the minorities of the indigenous people of the Northeast?
Hangni ngaskoban penken mau ba yakani kejingi khi kejongi kadi kejingi khi kabang la sedang lu mensemsnem kaban kong kadai ha ka isu CAA ya kapak sarkar India kelawan ra yakani ka an ban pendrekam ban ailat ya kita kinong sosnong jong kiwi kiri ki marjan bakari India ha ka kateng jokaniam ban ailat yaki binwan banlong kinong sosnong pura jong kadi kari kejongi je kejela kejongi ru kadi kawai nakastit kabalong sok pedung hakani kebenta te dena takadau ya kabang la pelong jingi khi ya kabang la sedang ru mencem snem henry dei ke jingwan no kani ka khlam covid-19 ya kabang ngi kong seng balang ni hapen pensange ya kani ke jingi khi hari kombakalong menta ngilai i ba ke jinglong jingman kala khamper kala khambiang te kum ke jing kemau biang ya sarkar India bangi hi kum ke jelahi brokoi ni persya ya kani ka an CAA bat ni dawahi ru mardor baka de ban ai no ya ke jela ke jongi ya kata ka ILP ya kaba ke sarkar India hapeng ke jinge khi jong kisti pa pher jong kani ka lammi ke jongi ya kaba ke sarkar India hi kala ai ya ke jela Manipur ya ka ILP te ka belengo apat balai kaliak sileng ya ke jela ke jongi ani kapor hi ngi ba ke sarkar India kala pen scam ba ka ILP kadai ka wei nakilat banyada ya kini ki jai pen retpat ha kani ka than lam ingi ke jongi namar beling oi kani ba kala pen sisa namar ba kala ai ya ke sarkar ya ke jela Manipur pakai pen kam no ya ka ILP anda deki lawan ra ya kini ka an CAA teni kapor hiru nakaliang ke jongi kum kaseng nyimkwa ban penjenja ri kepodok parasnam ke jongi yaki beriu ke jongi namar hakini ki banai bladap hakini dai banai bladap kilamat sibun ke jinge na ke jingman jong ni khlam te henrei bat kum ki seng bhalang ke benang ke jingke khli namata kari bat ka jat ben riu nyimlak men susong klik ti ne bangin sange no yak ta ke jinge ki ke jongi dena takadau ngilarai banyul yalum lang kumni tang kendiat ngot kid khot jong kaseng ban pensawa biang syaka sarkar India ba ngi hi kum kejala ne kum kejat ben riu ngi persya ekini ka an CAA bak ngi dawa bakade ban ai mardor no ya kata ka an LP han kejala ka jongi kini ke jingkentu ya ka jela ka jongi ya ka state government ka jongi ba kadi ban pentrekam no mardor ya kani ka MRSSA Act 2016 ya kaba la hatu kapor hapo assembly nakaliang doka sarkar jala ka depan pas kani bakani hi kanjada yangi nak jingwan jong kita ki jat ben riu benabar syakani ke jala ka jongi namangi ikum bakalong menta kani ka an ka don lupa in place sastang mencukup terikam no dari wat la kata ka kejingi khi kejongi bandawai ka LP kanangnya tingi kentu biya ka sarkar jala ba ya kani ka marasi dai ben terikam no pura nang ni sakman